Manish Bariar, issues of the people of Bihar is lost in this rhetoric.
Good evening to you and my good evening to co-panelists and all the viewers. I think the Prime Minister is raising, as well as our Home Minister and Nitish ji. So what we understand is that जो ऐसा हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि प्रत्यक्ष को प्रमाण नहीं. So the whole of the state and the country has to see what kind of development, and people are aware of it. And I think in every Jan Sabha, the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, as well as the Chief Minister, they have been telling a lot what they have done, and they have also given a roadmap for the further progress of Bihar. I would like to just remind through you, the viewers, that this year in 25-26, the GDSP growth rate of Bihar is 22 to 26%, as per NK Singh's article, just recent article that has come. That's the kind of development we are talking. So therefore, the agenda has always been on the growth and development. It is the opposition which keeps targeting Prime Minister. Somebody says that he is dancing, somebody someday will say yoga. Then what do you expect? Right? He would get a reply. And that is why I say that Tappu ke shaadi mein,
so then you are saying
that is how it is happening. What is he doing here in Bihar?
NDA is essentially responding to what Mahagathbandhan's charges. Dr. Karuna Sagar, it's about the language which is being used in this election, similar to multiple elections that we have covered, and there is low with every passing election. So certainly when it is about the political class, they're not failing to surprise us.
Thank you, Maria. Good evening to you, to your viewers and my fellow panelists. Bihar has endured 20 years of Nitish Kumar's failed promises and 11 years of Modi's trouble engine government, both draining the state's potential and betraying its people. Maria, you come from Bihar. Have you ever heard a Prime Minister coming and talking about Vinash, talking about Katta, talking about Kanpatti? For the uninitiated, let me translate. Kanpatti means temple and Katta means local-made firearms, country-made firearms. So that kind of, that is basically mocking. And Yogi Adityanath has gone a step forward and talking about monkeys. And Appu, Gappu, Shappu, I do not know what the hell he is talking about. But that is mocking these 14 crore Biharis. The Biharis take the election very seriously, take the whole process seriously, take the debate seriously, and somebody bringing down this debate to this level. And the Prime Minister has this habit. First, he talks
Pooja Patrick,
kind of a gutter language.
The language in this election only seems to be hitting new lows, and it appears that nobody is, and all political parties have decided that they will not mind their language. That if it is about Katta, then they'll have to take it further up, and then there'll be another counter which will be equally rhetorical and equally sharp. And humiliating at the same time.
In the history of this country, we have never seen a Prime Minister using such language about opposition.
Okay, that's a question to Pooja Patrick, please.
Sonia
that's
Gandhi,
a question to Pooja Patrick. Please,
okay, Maria,
let me go to the two women as well, sir.
Maria, see,
yes.
whatever PM Modi has said from the campaign stage is the language what the Mahagathbandhan understands, I would say. Mahagathbandhan is the one who brought all the concept of this, the words that were used by the Prime Minister, Katta, Kanpatti and all. These are the things which was brought by the Mahagathbandhan. Mahagathbandhan has always been an industry of loot, industry of kidnapping, industry of ransom, industry of rape. And Tejasvi Yadav, when he said, when their manifesto was taken out, he said, just give me 20 months of time and you will see that the industries are established in Bihar. So these are the industries which the Mahagathbandhan is talking about. The industry of loot, ransom, kidnapping, rape, caste genocide, now and the Charvaha Vidyalayas they talk about. So this is the industry. So our Prime Minister, our Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, our Home Minister Amit Shah tells the reality.
My point is, you have been in power for 20 years. What are the industries that you have established? you know, the government of the day has to give its report card, because you have been in power for 20 years. It's opposition's job to make promises. Whether they'll deliver will only be post-election. So we'll be asking questions to Tejasvi Yadav on what he has done or whether he has delivered or not post-elections. If he once wins power, for you, for 20 years, what have you done?
Maria, it is a known fact that when Bihar was partitioned, and Jharkhand came, many of the factories and many of the industries went into Jharkhand. But there are many factories still, Maria, that are there. For example, the Varun Beverages factory is there at Baroni. The Parle-G factory at Hajipur is there. Then the Shri Cement factory is there. The solar power plant, which has been now come, that is also giving employment to the people of Bihar here. So we are on the path of making
How
Bihar
many new
an
employments have you generated?
industrious state.
Okay. So you have, for 20 years, you have
Maria ji.
generated limited options
And we
for
have-
Biharis.
Maria ji,
You
can
are
I
asking
add?
for another
Can I
5.
add?
Kanchana.
Can I add,
Kanchana.
Maria ji?
One moment. No, one moment. Let Kanchana come in. Let Kanchana come
But
in.
you
now.
have given a
She is
verdict
of the
without
RJD.
listening
Kanchana,
to...
the fear of Jungle Raj. She has made a point. I have not given any verdict. You have to be patient, Mr. Manish. Kanchana, the fear of Jungle Raj is something that you hear on the ground. Unfortunately, Bihar today is caught in the memories. They are talking about what Nitish has done and what used to happen during alleged Jungle Raj days of Lalu Yadav.
मारिया जी, मैं भी बिहार में हूँ, लाइक यू आर इन द बिहार, और ग्राउंड पे ऐसा कुछ जंगल राज जैसा चल नहीं रहा है. एंड अपोजिशन क्या समझता है दैट लैंग्वेज प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल बी यूजिंग? नो, प्राइम मिनिस्टर के पास बोलने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं. दैट्स हिज लेवल, द बेस्ट लेवल ही कैन डिलीवर इन बिहार. कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी, आपने कभी सुना है कि कोई भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर पहले कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी बोल रहा हो, कोई प्राइम मिनिस्टर पहले मुजरा बोल रहा हो? तो बिहार को हम लोग उसी लैंग्वेज में डिलीवर कर रहे हैं जिस लैंग्वेज में बिहार के लोग सब बसते हैं. लेकिन मोदी जी बिहार का अपमान कर रहे हैं. उनको लगता है कि ये अस्तर है बिहार का, जो मोदी जी का खुद अस्तर है. कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी करके वो शायद मुख्यमंत्री जब थे गुजरात के, वहां से आए होंगे, वो दंगा करा के आए होंगे, हजारों की जान लेकर आए होंगे. एंड यही उनको समझ में आ रहा है कि यहाँ पर आकर कट्टा एंड कनपट्टी बोलो और जंगल राज बोलो. ग्राउंड पे कुछ भी,
Manish, respond.
कुछ भी जंगल राज जैसा नहीं
Okay,
है.
let Manish respond. Manish.
Maria ji, जिसकी
Okay,
पार्टी
let's
के
have Manish and
समर्थक,
Kanchana on the screen
Yes.
now. Yes.
जिसके पार्टी के समर्थक ने 20 साल 15 साल तक कनपट्टी पर कट्टा लगा के लोगों का अपहरण किया, लोगों को मर्डर किया, उसके बारे में क्या कह सकते हैं? और जिसके पार्टी के समर्थक आज भी कई तरह के गीत जो है आप बिहार में देख सकते हैं, पार्टी समर्थक कर रहे हैं कि कट्टा लेके घूमेंगे हम जब पावर में आएंगे. तो ये क्या है? तो आप पहले तो अपने अंदर झांकिए ना कि आपके पार्टी के समर्थक और आपके समर्थक कौन लोग हैं और किस तरह की भाषा का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद तो आप किसी के पास आइए. किसी से छुपा हुआ है कि आप अपहरण का इंडस्ट्री आपके समय में था कि नहीं? किसी से छुपा हुआ है कि मुख्यमंत्री के आवास में अपहरण की गाड़ी जो है,
लेकिन आपने तो बदल दिया ना.
अपहरण की गाड़ी वहां थी. तो आप क्या बात करेंगे?
आप लोगों ने तो बदल दिया ना. You have promised.
लेकिन हम लोग
You have promised
that government out here, and
Yes.
our duty for
So
people
what-
to remind them that look, this is what their चाल चरित्र चेहरा. और प्रधानमंत्री तो सही कर रहे हैं, बिहारियों को बचा रहे हैं उनसे.